Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Myra Domingo. I am 27 years old, a single mother of a 9 years old boy. I worked as a domestic helper for 2 years in Saudi Arabia. I do cleaning the house, kitchen helper, doing the laundry, ironing the clothes, taking care of a child, and sometimes washing the car. Also working as a domestic helper here in Hong Kong for about 9 months, and my duties are cooking for the kids, pack up their bags, drop and pick them up after school, laundry, ironing, and cleaning the house. Also play with the kids. I am not a perfect helper, but I am willing to learn and I can do my best for the job. And I can also work with the co-worker. I can do any relatable jobs as to my experience and willing to try what will be given. I am currently terminated and will be released on January 19, 2025. I hope I will be chosen. Thank you, ma'am, sir.